Coavas frosted folding bookshelf home office industrial bookcase no assembly storage shelves vintage 4 tiers flower stand rustic metal book rack organizer frosted black 23.6 x 11.8 x 49.4 inches. Best gift choice, no assembly only one step, just open the black frame and snap the 4 shelves on it. The entire process takes only 1 minute and does not require installation tools. Industrial bookshelf, folding when not in use, can be folded in the corner, save space. Industrial bookshelf, sturdy iron frame sturdy black coated iron frame with 2 oblique side bars and extra back bars for a better stability and resistance. Industrial bookshelf, multiple usage, ideal for the living room, the bedroom, kids' room, the kitchen, as outside storage for gardening tools or plants, can be also used in the office for storage and display. Industrial bookshelf, large shelf spaces. The space between the shelves is 12-inch allowing a large storage area for your multiple items, books, family photos, frames, devices, utensils, or plants. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.